Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Gmail. You will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you can search about Gmail and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.